Hey, Luke here. We're working on my house. We're putting on some exterior wood cladding here in Knoxville, Tennessee. And I want to talk to you today about the importance of a rain screen whenever you're going to be installing an exterior wood cladding. So, of course, you have your house sheathing plywood over your wood studs. You're going to put a house wrap over that. But one extra step you need to take is to protect the area behind the cladding and the house sheathing. That's where you can actually have a trouble area where moisture can either pass through, or with humidity built up behind it, you can create rot down the road. So it's very important to take that extra step and put on, in this case, put on a rain screen. Rain screen is important because it provides that space between the back side of the wood cladding and the house sheathing or your plywood of your home. In this instance, we use a house wrap that has an integrated rain screen system into it. That's installed prior to putting any type of wood cladding on the home. Just an extra precaution and a very necessary step that you take to ensuring that the investment you're making is the right one.